Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be seeing some MCQs on water images, which is part 2 of type 1. So let us begin with the first MCQ. Before beginning with the MCQ, let us take a screenshot of all the 3 images which we have already taken in the first video. The first one will be for the capital letters, then it will be for the small letters, and the third one will be for the numbers from 0 to 9. So students, as I'm showing you, it is nothing but the water images of capital letters. So please take a screenshot of this. Next one is the water images of small letters from A to Z, of course. And the third one is the water images of numbers from 0 to 9. Now let us go for the first MCQ, and before going for the first MCQ, let us go for the directions. So what do we do in that? In each of the following questions, you are given a combination of letters and numbers followed by 4 alternatives A, B, C, D. Choose the alternative which most closely resembles the water image of the given combination. So let us start with the first MCQ right now. So now they have given us one word which is nuclear. As usual, I write it down in capital letters. So now let me go for the first capital letter, which is N, and let me look how it looks like. So N can be written like this. Then we go for U. It will just be inverted image. Next we go for C. Then L looks somewhat like this. Then if we go for E, there will be no change in E. The next one is A. It's an inverted image of A. And the last one is R. So if you look at all the 4 options, students, we can say that the answer to this question will be option D. Now let us go for the second MCQ. The word given to us is quarrel. So I draw something like a water, and I have to go for the inverted image of quarrel. So the first one is capital letter Q. So Q will look somewhat like this. And the next one is U. And I'm having an A. Then R. Again an R. E will not change, it will look as it is. And the next one is L. So if I look at option C, we can say that it is definitely matching whatever we have written. अगर मैं ऑप्शन सी को ध्यान से देखूं तो मुझे ये पता है कि इस इमेज का परफेक्ट वाटर इमेज यहाँ पे मुझे बनते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है. सो आई विल से द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. Now students, let us go for the third MCQ. In this, they have given some capital letters and some numbers. So the first one is U. After that I'm having a 4, then capital letter P, then 1, 5, capital letter B, and then I'm having a 7. So let me go for the solution part. So as we know, first thing what we do is we write down the given MCQ. And now we are going for the reflection. So U will be written like this. Then I go for the number 4. Then I'm going for P. It looks somewhat like this. फिर मैं जाऊँगा नंबर 1, वो तो चेंज तो होगा ही नहीं. फिर मैं जाऊँगा नंबर 5 के लिए, कुछ ऐसे दिखेगा वो. Next is capital letter B. There will be no change in the capital letter B. And then I go for 7. So if you look at all the options, we get option D as the right answer. अब चलिए देखते हैं फोर्थ MCQ. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमें कुछ लेटर्स दिए, कुछ कैपिटल लेटर्स दिए हैं एंड कुछ नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. तो चलिए एज यूजुअल मैं नंबर्स एंड कैपिटल लेटर्स लिख के देखता हूँ. फर्स्ट है P, फिर उसके बाद है Q, after that I'm having an 8, then an A, then F, next is 5, after that I'm having a B, then Z, the last one is 9. So I have given the MCQ to you. Now let us go for the water image. So P will look somewhat like this. The next one is Q. Afterwards I'm having the number 8. Then I'm having the capital letter A looks somewhat like this. उसके बाद है capital letter F, फिर है नंबर 5. 5 and 2 look somewhat same. जो नंबर 5 है स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं उसका वाटर इमेज देखूँ तो वो होगा 2 के जैसा. फिर हम जाएंगे B की तरफ. B में कोई चेंजेस तो होंगे ही नहीं. It will look as usual. Then I go for capital letter Z. And the next one is number 9. तो स्टूडेंट्स मुझे ये पता है कि ऑप्शन डी को मैं ध्यान से देखूं तो मुझे ये पता है कि इट विल लुक similar to or same as whatever we have written. So the answer to this question is option D. And now let us go for the last MCQ. As usual, they have given us some letters and they have given us some numbers. So I'm having D, L, 2, C, A, 3, 4, O, O. Students, is 0 nahi hai, it is an O. So now let me go for the reflection part or the water image. So if I write the capital letter D, it looks the same, there will be no change in it. Next I go for capital letter L, it will look similar to this. As I told you, number 2 and number 5 and number 5 and number 2 will look the same when we go for the mirror image. Then we go for C, it will not change. Then I'm having the capital letter A. The next one is 3. Again, there will be no change. The next one is number 4. And lastly, I'm having 2 O's, which will not change at all. So students, if I look at all the options, we can say that the answer to this question is option A. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and please do subscribe our channel.